Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7 laptop. To enter BIOS on your laptop, the machine has to be turned off, and what we need to do first is short press the power button and then repeatedly press F2, and if F2 by itself doesn't work, hold down Fn button and click F2 along with it, and this will open the BIOS setup menu, in which you'll be able to navigate using your touchpad. On the left side you will see all the available categories, and in each category there will be something that you'll be able to change. Now if you want to restore default settings, press F9 and enter. To save and exit, press F10 and enter. To exit without saving changes, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.